Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Multimatic DSSV spool valve dampers, heated and ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, drive mode selector, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. Again, there's black and gray interior with the yellow accents throughout the vehicle. You got paneling cup holder storage in the bottom, equipped with Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory, chrome accent handle. You're also going to have these guards here for off-roading. The seats, these heated and ventilated leather seats, two-tone finish, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents, and as well as your trailer brake controller. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert. And the right side will be your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. Now for the odometer screen, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access quite a bit of vehicle information. You can see your Google Maps as well. You also got your G-force with the pitch and roll. This transfer case as well. Gap adjuster, and then just goes to your symbol. Push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. If you want to access vehicle information, you hit vehicle status here, and it's going to give you a whole view of the vehicle here, 360. Just tap on each of the ones. It's going to give you pretty much all of the information. There we go. As well as you can access your trip information and the fluids and filters. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the overheads and the mirror cams. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, off-road mode, and as well as air down mode, which lets you manually deflate your tires in case you're going over some rocky terrain. You got the climate controls on the bottom as well, dual zone, your locking diffs, as well as your auto stop, lane keep assist, and auxiliary power. With 2 USB ports and a wireless charging pad. You got your drive mode selector, tune 4-wheel, parking brake, and center console with more storage. Passenger side, mainly adjustable, same leather heated finish with yellow seat belts. You're gonna have that ZR2 badging on the dash, the Bose speakers up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these 17-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires. You're gonna have Colorado badging, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle. Or that ZR2 badging. See those spool valve dampers, as well as the trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Exhaust right there. And at the tailgate, you got the built-in ruler with some extra storage inside. You have an AC wall charger with around 8 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Move on to the rear interior. You're going to have more of that cup holder storage right next to the speakers. Power windows with the chrome accent. Back. Not too bad of legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports, as well as an AC wall charger on the bottom. You have the cup holder and armrest right in the center. Manual rear sliding window. Seats fold up when you toggle. Lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. As we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as Goodyear Territory tires, spool valve dampers, skid plates, as well as sprayed bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm.